how to see backup photos in Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see backup photos in Google Photos. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply open the Google Photos app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, then at the first here in the photos, you'll see all the photos that have been currently backed up. But here, if you want to find specific backed up folders, then you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on the backup. And now here in this section, you can see all the photos by the date, location, object, and people. And this will help you to find specific backed up images quickly. And that's it. That's how you can view all your backed up photos in Google Photos. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.